How to find saved filters on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to find the saved filters on Instagram, first of all launch the Instagram application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account on Instagram. Here, simply tap on the plus icon and then tap on the story option over here. So as you tap on story, you'll be able to see there are different filters that you'll be able to see on the right hand side of the camera on this side over here. So just make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device to get your filters visible over here on the screen. So here you can see there are filters, different filters over here where you can save the filters by tapping on this icon of save over here beside the filter name. Now to save it, just swipe it to the very right over here until you see the search bar and tap on it. So as you tap on the search bar, you'll be able to see the different options from trending, appearance and different other option. But here you can see the saved option. So just tap on the saved option. And as you tap on it, you'll be able to see all your saved filters on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.